In this video I'm going to show you how to download the Windows 11 ISO file on your PC. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now for the first step, open a Google browser and then we will search for Windows 11 ISO file. So select it. After that you can select the first top result. Now what we need to do is scroll a little bit down because there are different options over here. But once you have scrolled down, you will find the download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Now select the download and then select Windows 11, and after that you can click on download now. Now it will take a couple of minutes, and after that you need to select the product language, so your region. For me it is Dutch, so I will select Dutch, and after that you can confirm it. Now it will load up again, and after that you will find the 64-bit download. You can click on it and the ISO file will be downloaded on your PC. And this is how you download the Windows 11 ISO file on your Windows 11 PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!